Hello everyone, and welcome to our mini guide on transforming your garden and backyard into a haven of beauty and functionality. Today, we'll explore how to incorporate key elements like patio, deck, gazebo, and more to enhance your outdoor space. Let's dive in. Let's start with the patio. It serves as the foundation of your outdoor living space, perfect for dining, lounging, or entertaining guests. Choose durable materials like stone or concrete for longevity and easy maintenance. Next up, we have the deck. Elevate your outdoor experience with a well-designed deck, providing a seamless transition from indoor to outdoor living. Opt for quality wood or composite materials for a stylish and functional addition to your backyard. Now, let's talk about the gazebo. This charming structure offers shelter and style, creating a focal point in your garden. Whether for intimate gatherings or quiet retreats, a gazebo adds character and comfort to your outdoor space. The arbor. A romantic touch to any garden, the arbor provides a whimsical entrance or a shady retreat. Encourage climbing plants like roses or wisteria to weave through the structure, adding natural beauty and fragrance. Last but not least, we have the pergola. This versatile structure offers partial shade and architectural interest to your backyard. Dress it up with outdoor curtains, string lights, or climbing plants for a cozy and inviting ambience. Now, let's tie it all together with additional components like fencing, pathway, retaining wall, raised garden bed, and more. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also contribute to the functionality and organization of your outdoor space. Remember, creating your dream garden and backyard is all about personalization and creativity. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of furniture, decor, and landscaping ideas to reflect your style and preferences. That's all for today. We hope you found these tips helpful in your journey towards a beautiful and functional outdoor oasis. Until next time, happy gardening and backyard beautifying. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rawfhome.com.